This is a short video to show you how to name ionic compounds or go from a name to a formula. Let's cover that first because that seems to be the easiest of the two. If you're going from a formula to a name, you're going to look at the cation, which is the first ion listed in the formula. If it's ammonium or one of the metals that only form one ion, in other words, if it's a group 1 or 2 metal, or if it's silver, zinc, cadmium, or aluminum, then all you have to do is name the cation and then the anion. So let's look at a couple of examples. NaCl is the formula. The cation is sodium. The anion is chloride. We just name it as sodium chloride. Here's another one. Aluminum is the cation. It only forms one ion. And so the name of this compound is aluminum iodate. And one more. The formula for this one includes the barium ion, which is in group 2, and the hydroxide ion. So we only have to name it as barium hydroxide. Now there are cations that form more than one type of ion. Most of the metals are this way. And we have to figure out the charge from its formula. And then we have to use Roman numerals to specify the charge in the name. So let's look at this first one. We have iron with 2 hypobromite ions. Each hypobromite is -1, and so iron must be +2. So the name of that compound is iron 2 hypobromite. We have another one, TiO2. Each of those oxygens, their oxide ions, has a -2 charge. So that's a total of -4 charge that the titanium has to counteract. So titanium must be +4. So the name of this compound is titanium 4 oxide. Okay, now going the other way, if you're going from a name to a formula, the best thing to do is write down the ions, including their charges. And then you have to look at them and find the simplest combination of those 2 ions that gives a neutral compound. So if I wanted to find the formula for aluminum sulfide, I would have to know the charges on them, first of all, and I know that aluminum is +3 and sulfide is -2. The least common multiplier of 3 and 2 is 6, and so in order to get 6 positive charges, I'm going to need 2 aluminums. In order to get 6 negative charges, I'm going to need 3 sulfurs, or sulfides, I should say. So the formula is going to be Al2S3. And then let's take another look. Sodium nitride. Well, sodium is a +1, nitride is a -3. I'm going to need 3 sodiums for each nitride. So the formula of sodium nitride is going to be Na3N. Hope this helps.